Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today I am going to do a small tutorial for oil pastels. I'm going to show you how I usually blend and the different techniques. So I'm going to use Faber-Castell oil pastels for this. It's pretty good. I mean, it's cheap and it's nice. If you're just starting to do oil pastel art, it's the best. So I'm gonna start with blending. I'm just gonna blend like 2 colors with tissue paper, and also I'm gonna use Q-tip. There are 2 ways. You can also use your hands for blending, but I'm just gonna use tissue paper and Q-tip because I don't really like, dirtying my fingers. So I'm gonna use red first. Just gonna apply it there. Make sure your hands are strong enough to blend it. There should not be any white gaps in between, and then you can overlap the other color on it, so it will give you a nice texture while you're blending it. So I'm gonna use the tissue paper and I'm gonna blend it this way. Just gonna fold the tissue paper, and yeah, you can see how the colors are blending in. Now the technique with the Q-tip is you do not want to be hard with it. Like with the tissue paper you need to use a bit of strength, but with the Q-tip not much. So you're just gonna blend in with the Q-tip and you can see the difference. You can see the upper part is always like a bit darker, and the lower it's more vibrant with the Q-tip. I'm gonna use blue and turquoise here, and you can see with the tissue I'm just gonna start from the bottom to the top. You can see how the colors are spread, and then you can see it with the Q-tip that it's more vibrant. Like you can see the colors. It's not, I wouldn't say it's not completely blend, but yeah, you can see the difference. And now I'm going to use 3 different colors to blend in. I'm just going to show you how I blend 3 colors together. Just gonna finish up with the taping. Then I'll use my second shade, which is going to be a little lighter. And I'm just going to use this shade, a little lighter green. I'm going to blend it in now. I feel more comfortable with the tissue paper more than the Q-tip. You can use fingers also, but it'll mess up, your fingers, and it needs to be a bit, you contain a lot of oil in your fingers, so that's why the blending would be a little, rough around the edges. Another technique for blending is that you can use a cotton ball with some baby oil on it. It really helps with a smooth blend, and I am actually blending on a normal split paper. We have different oil pastel sheets too, but it's all if you're on a professional level, you have gone through the basic process and everything. This is just a basic video showing how to blend. Alright, so this is it. This was my short video showing how to blend and the different techniques and how I usually use them. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe.